आज केंद्रीय विद्यालय टिकट बाल दिवस समारोह का आयोजन कर रहा है। इस महामारी के दौर में जबकि हम लोग प्रत्यक्ष रूप से बच्चों के साथ मिलकर इस कार्यक्रम को नहीं मना पाए, आज गूगल मीट के माध्यम से ऑनलाइन बाल दिवस समारोह का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय टिकट परिवार की तरफ से सभी अभिभावकों, सभी केंद्रीय विद्यालय टिकट के प्यारे बच्चों और सभी विद्वान शिक्षकों का हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूं। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय टिकट परिवार के संरक्षक, जिनके मार्गदर्शन में ये कार्यक्रम संचालित हो रहा है, आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय का भी हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूं। मैं केंद्रीय विद्यालय टिकट प्राइमरी विभाग के प्रमुख HM मैम का भी हार्दिक स्वागत और अभिनंदन करता हूं। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत के लिए, जैसा कि बाल दिवस समारोह है, मैं हंसिनी, आकाश बच्चों को आमंत्रित करता हूं, वो आए, कार्यक्रम की रूपरेखा बताते हुए कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करें।
I welcome everybody. Now we're going to start the program by the landing video.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः।
On this very special day, let us celebrate the innocence and purity of our kids. Let them feel precious in every way that we can, because they are our future. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Today, we have gathered on this webinar to commemorate the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This day is also celebrated as Children's Day in India because Nehru ji was popular among children as Chacha Nehru. Now let's begin the fun and get started with today's program.
कागज की कश्ती थी, पानी का किनारा था, खेलने की मस्ती थी, ये दिल आवारा था। कहाँ आ गए हम इस समझदारी के दलदल में, वो नादान बचपन ही कितना प्यारा था। आप सभी को हमारी तरफ से बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो चलिए अब मैं हमारा परिचय करवाती हूँ। मैं तस्लीम और मेरी मित्र आकांक्षा, धरणी, मानवी, हम लोग आज का संचालन करेंगे और मेरे कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हर्षिनी और आकाश आज का कार्यक्रम प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Little Samhita from class 1st D has more to sing in praise of Chacha Nehru. Let's watch.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Jalsutram Samhita. Okay, I'm studying in first class D section in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan certificate. I would like to speak about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He played the key role for making new India. He was also a freedom fighter. He liked the children very much. Children liked him and called him Chachaji. Chachaji was born on 14th November 1889. Every year, his birthday celebrated as Children's Day. He is considered as the architect of modern India. He had a great vision for children. He believed that children are the future of any nation. Chachaji is a role model for all children. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Thank you.
कुछ चीजें ऐसे हैं जो पैसे नहीं खरीद सकते। ऐसी ही चीज है हमारा बचपन। ये हमारे छोटे से नेहरू जी ने हमें हमारा बचपन याद दिला दिया। हम भी कुछ ऐसे ही थे बचपन में। अब इसी के साथ हमारे पीछे आ रहे हैं अभिषेक 8वीं स से छोटा सा प्रेजेंटेशन लेकर।
धन्यवाद आकांक्षा दीदी। Hello everybody. My name is Abhishek Sharma. I am a student of class 8A and today I am going to present about Jawaharlal Nehru ji, known for us lovingly as our Chacha Nehru ji. I request everybody to please mute their mics and enjoy the music which I play with the PPT. Is everybody able to view my screen?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Here we go. Our next slide. Family history of Nehru ji. Jawaharlal Motilal Nehru. He was born on 14 November 1889 in Prayagraj. His father's name was Motilal Nehru. Motilal Nehru ji was a self-made, wealthy barrister who belonged to the Kashmiri Pandit community and served twice as the president of the Indian National Congress. His mother's name was Swaroop Rani, who came from a well-known Kashmiri Brahmin family settled in Lahore and was Motilal Nehru ji's second wife, the first having died in childbirth. His siblings, sisters, were Vijayalakshmi and Krishna Utesi. Jawaharlal Nehru was the eldest of 3 children, 2 of whom were girls. The elder sister, Vijayalakshmi, later became the first female president of the United Nations General Assembly. The youngest sister, Krishna Utesi, became a noted writer and authored several books on her brother. His education was that he was graduated with an honours degree in natural science. The institute was Trinity College, Cambridge and City Law School, London. His wife was Kamala Nehru ji, and he had a daughter who we all know is Indira Gandhi. Now let's go to the next slide. Nehru ji met Gandhi ji for the first time in 1916 at the annual meeting of the Indian National Congress. In all, Nehru ji spent more than 9 years in jail. The Discovery of India was written during his imprisonment in 1942 to 1945 at Ahmednagar Fort in Maharashtra. Some of his major andolans and satyagrahas against Britishers. Swadeshi Movement 1906, Quit India Movement 9 August 1942, Dandi March 6 April 1920, Oath Kisan Sabha. Oath Kisan Sabha was set up headed by Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Baba Ramchandra and a few others. Books by Jawaharlal Nehru ji are The Discovery of India, an autobiography, Glimpses of World History, Letters from a Father to His Daughter, Nehru ji on World History. Let's go to the next slide.
One year ago, we made the trip with excellence. Now, the color comes when we have the dinner. Yes. Not hunger, ignorance filling it up, but very substantial. At the start of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, and there will be freedom.
The speech you heard just now was the first speech given by Jawaharlal Nehru ji after becoming the first Prime Minister of India. Nehru ji was 57 when he became our country's first Prime Minister in 1947. He was Prime Minister for 17 years until his death in 1964. He was re-elected in the 1952, 1957 and 1962 elections. There were many works done in Nehru ji's rule, like state reorganization, first 5-year plan, the Green Revolution in India, Bhakra Nangal Dam, Hirakund Dam, Nagarjun Sagar Dam, ISRO, DRDO, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, IIT, IIMS, AIMS and IIM. Let's go to the next slide. Nehru ji was very fond of children and often referred to as Chacha Nehru. Every year, 14th November, Children's Day, commemorates the birth of Jawaharlal Nehru ji with immense joy and magnificence across India. Chacha Nehru is also associated with his attire of pinning a fresh red rose to his coat every day. He made it a point to wear a rose as a reminder of his life with his wife Kamala, who passed away in 1938 after a prolonged illness. Affectionately called Chacha Nehru, we will always cherish this day to commemorate childhood, love and innocence.
हम भी अगर बच्चे होते हम भी अगर बच्चे होते नाम हमारा होता बबलू बबलू खाने के नीचे दुनिया की भक्ति
मेरा मानना है कि नेहरू जी आज भी हमारे बीच हैं और इसलिए a very happy birthday to our dear Chacha Nehru ji. And I wish everybody here a very happy Children's Day. Over to you, Didi.
Thank you, Abhishek. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. Let's welcome Harita of class 11th A to recite a Hindi poem.
सुप्रभात। मैं हरिता कक्षा 11वीं A की छात्र आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने वाली हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना न अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो। असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक सफल न हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। जब तक सफल न हो, नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। धन्यवाद।
चाचा नेहरू तुझे सलाम। अमन शांति का दे पैगाम। जंग को जंग से तूने बचाया, हम बच्चों को भी साथ मनाया। किया जन्मदिन अपने बच्चों के नाम, चाचा नेहरू तुझे सलाम। इसी के साथ आपको नेहरू जी के बारे में बताने आ रहे हैं प्राइमरी से छोटे नेहरू जी।
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, friends. My name is Shima Vedina. I'm from 1D KVP Cat School. Today is Children's Day. Happy Children's Day, friends. You know what? Because today is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name is Motilal. His mother's name is Swarup Rani. He studied law in London. He India's first Prime Minister. He is freedom fighter. He also called as Chacha Nehru because he loved children so much. He considered children strength of a nation. He got Bharat Ratna Award. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Loyal and efficient work is a great cause. Even though it may not be immediately recognized, ultimately bears fruit. Now we have Rasagna from 8C to give us some more information on Children's Day.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rasegna. I am from class 8C. Now I am going to give a speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November on Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday with excitement and rigor. Jawaharlal Nehru was very fond of children and all the children used to call him Chacha Nehru. On this day, all the children are given gifts. They are treated with their favorite food and taken to their favorite places. All the places where kids are present, those kids are treated well with gifts and food packets. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was mostly known as Chacha Nehru as he loved children immensely. School is considered as a second home for children. Teachers not only pass on education and knowledge but also act as parents in certain circumstances as every child has different talents. Children's Day is celebrated across the entire nation to create an awareness for the rights of children, which includes their education and care. This day is celebrated as a tribute to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on his birthday. He was very fond of children and was famous by the name Chacha Nehru among them. He always advocated for the children to have an education, a tribute to remember a great personality like. He was the first Prime Minister of India and a great leader. He loved children very much. Children's Day celebration are done throughout the country. As Jawaharlal Nehru loved children, he raised the importance of children's education very well. He raised much awareness for the better condition of children in the country. Nehru believed that the strength of a country is its young citizens and children who help to develop our country through their new ideas and innovative thoughts. Children's Day is not only for celebrating the work of our first Prime Minister but also to make the children feel special and loved. Children's Day removes all the barriers against children and allows them to celebrate as they want. Thank you and have a nice day.
Okay. Now it's time for fun time. Now I request everyone to mute your mics and I'll be asking 3 riddles. Even teachers can participate. If anyone wants to answer, raise your hand in the chat box. So the first riddle. I'm an odd number, okay? I'm an odd number, take away a letter and I become even. What number am I?
7.
क्वेश्चन रिपीट कीजिए.
7? Yeah, it's
7.
nice. Who is this? Who answered this?
7.
Very good.
7.
Okay, now the second riddle. What can you catch but you can't throw? You can catch it but you can't throw it. What is that?
A cold. A cold.
Ah, very intelligent. Okay. What travels around the world but stays in one place? It travels all the world but can't. It stays in one place.
Postal stamp or letter?
Tell me one answer.
Time.
Stamp.
Stamp. Yes,
Time.
it is right.
Time.
Yes.
Time.
Very well. You answered all 3. Okay. Now I hand over to Akansha to continue.
थैंक यू आशनी. बचपन साथ रखिएगा जिंदगी की शाम में, उम्र महसूस ही नहीं होगी सफर के मुकाम में. तो आयांश आ रहे हैं नेहरू जी के किरदार में हमें कुछ बताने.
I'm studying in first class. My favorite leader is Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. He built new India. He was a freedom fighter, writer and speaker. He was born 14th November 1889. He loved children so much. That's why we celebrate on his birthday Children's Day. He said, आराम हराम है. जय भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. Thank you.
Such a cute little Nehruji. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Only through right education can a better order of society be built up. Now we have an amazing dance performance by Sidhu.
लगते हैं हमेशा ही मुस्कुराते थे. देश विदेश घूमते थे, सारी जानकारियां लाते थे, बच्चों से प्यार करते थे, इसीलिए उन्हें प्यारा चाचा नेहरू कहलाते थे। इसी के समक्ष दक्ष आपको एक छोटी सी कविता प्रस्तुत करते हैं।
नमस्कार, आप सभी को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं दक्ष कक्षा छठी ड से आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। चाचा नेहरू प्यारे थे, भारत माता के राज दुलारे थे, देश के पहले प्रधानमंत्री थे, स्वतंत्रता के सेनानी थे। अचकन में फूल लगाते थे, हमेशा ही मुस्काते थे, बच्चों से प्यार जताते थे। चाचा नेहरू प्यारे थे, देश विदेश ये घूमते थे, बहुत सारी जानकारी प्राप्त करते थे, फिर भी अपने देश से ये प्यार करते थे। चाचा नेहरू राजकुमारे थे, बच्चे इनको सदा प्यार से चाचा नेहरू कहते। चाचा जी इन बच्चों के बीच बच्चे बनकर रहते, सारे जग को पाठ पढ़ाया शांति और अमन का, भारत माँ का मान बढ़ाया था यह ऐसा लाल चमन का। चाचा नेहरू प्यारे थे, भारत माता के राज दुलारे थे। धन्यवाद।
There are some things which we can't buy. One of such things is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of Children's Day. Now, let's welcome Abhimanyu from class 12B to sing a melodious song for us.
अभिमन्यु वीडियो ऑन करना बेटा।
इंडिया के उड़ते पाखिरे अखियों में आजा साथी रारी रारो ओ रारी रारो ओ रारी सुरमई अखियों में एक सपना दे सच्चा कोई सपना दे जा मुझको कोई अपना दे जा अनजाना सा मगर कुछ पहचाना सा काफ का शबनमी रेशम से भी रेशमी सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना दे जा इंडिया के उड़ते पाखिरे अखियों में आजा साथी रारी रारो ओ रारी रारी रारो ओ रारी रो रात के रथ पर जाने वाले नींद करस बरसाने वाले इतना कर दे कि मेरी आंखें भर दे, आँखों में बसता रहे सपना ये हंसता रहे, सुरमई अखियों में नन्हा मुन्ना एक सपना देगा, दुनिया की उड़ते पाखिरे अखियों में आजा साथी, रारी रारो ओ रारी रो, रारी रारो ओ रारी रो, रारी रारो ओ रारी रो, रारी रारो ओ रारी रो। थैंक यू।
राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर भैया। भैया आप कितना अच्छा गाते हो। रोने की वजह न थी, ना कोई हंसने का बहाना था, आखिर क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े, इससे अच्छा तो वह हमारे बचपन का जमाना था। तो आइए और एक छोटू मोटू से नेहरू जी को देखते हैं।
Round of applause for the Kutti Nehru. Okay. Now it's time for questions. Are you ready for Nehru ji's questions? Let's see who answers those. Even teachers can participate. So these are quite hard. Let's see who answers. Okay. Why did Jawaharlal Nehru always kept a rose on his pocket?
He kept it as a memory of his wife, Kamala Nehru.
Abhishek, you're gonna take all the quiz over you. You're not getting anywhere.
No, two instances. Archane,
Yes, sir.
two instances. One is in memory of his wife.
Yes, sir.
The other instance, the young baby presented first time rose to him, red rose to him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from Allahabad Primary School. He received red rose from a young girl. And he promised the girl it will remain forever. These are the two instances.
Right, sir. Now, the second question, which is quite easy. The birth of Jawaharlal Nehru is observed as
14th November. Children's Day. 14th November.
It is not celebrated on. It's a Children's Day.
Chacha Nehru.
Okay.
14 November 1889.
Okay. Okay, now moving on to the next question, the last and final. Let's see who answers this. Jawaharlal Nehru Port is situated in.
Can you repeat the question, please?
Nehru's port was situated at where?
Shantavan Memorial in New Delhi.
Not New Delhi. No.
Old Delhi.
Allahabad.
No.
In Delhi.
Okay, I'll give you options. Okay, I'll give you options. Delhi, Mumbai, and Allahabad.
Mumbai. Delhi. Delhi.
Yes, it is Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yes. Right. Okay, now let's move on to the program. The next.
Okay, so the next program is Fancy Dress Competition. For this, we have D. Ritvik of 2nd C.
morning all. I am D. Rutvik, God of class 3rd D. Do you know who I am? I am a farmer, the backbone of the nation. Farmers are called as Annadata or food provider to the nation. Farmers work hard on to feed the nation. Farming is the main occupation in villages. That the rate of farmers becoming more nowadays. So it's our responsibility to respect farmers. Jai Kisan, Jai Hind.
Now we have Hamsika of 2nd C.
Good morning, friends. My name is Ansika. I'm studying in 2nd C. Do you know who I am? I am a lady finger. I am green color. I am rich in vitamin. I am also used as a medicine. Many fibers present in me. So I request to you all eat me and sharp your brain. Bye bye friends. Thank you.
ये अब आ रहे हैं निश्चय सनफ्लावर बनके कक्षा 2 A से।
Principal, HM madam and my dear teacher. My name is Michelle from 2nd class. I am sunflower. I'm in yellow and round. I stand tall. I always face towards the sun. I need full sun to grow well. I have many yellow petals. Honeybees like to kiss me. My seeds used to make oil. I am also used for decoration. Thank you.
तो अभी आ रहे हैं नन्हे मुन्नी मूली गीताली।
Hi, this is Gitalia's radish. I'm root vegetable. I'm good for health. I'm white color. I'm rich in vitamin and minerals. A radish can be used in lot of dishes. Thank you, everyone.
The next contestant is Johanan, 2nd A.
Good morning. I am Johanan. I am Mr. Carrot. Carrot is good for your memory power. Carrot is good for your eyes. Carrot is good for your strength. And carrot is root vegetable. And carrot is orange color. And carrot is juice. You will cut the carrot, it comes juicy. It is so yummy. You can drink carrot juice. Also, you can get so yummy. Thank you.
Next is Ishita, 2nd A.
Morning, ma'am. My name is Ishita of class 2nd A. Today I am a carrot. Carrot is the vegetable. Carrot color is orange. Carrot is the healthy food. We can make carrot juice also. Thank you.
मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी डी मनी 2nd C से।
Good morning, ma'am. My name is D. Mani Trigun. I am studying in 2C. Today I am participating as a brinjal. I am a brinjal. I am king of the vegetables. Brinjal contains lot of iron and vitamins. Thank you.
अब मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी ब्लेसी 1st E से, जो कि एक हमारी राष्ट्रीय पक्षी बनी है।
My name is Blessy. I am studying 1st class. E section, rule number 25. Do you know which one is our national bird? It is a peacock. I am blue and green in color. I am famous for my brightness color feathers. I am very beautiful and attractive bird. I have beautiful crest on my head. I can fly
Now we have Supreet from First T dressed up as Cheetah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Supreet. I'm KVP School, Pandi section. My number is 4. I am a cheetah. A large cat native of Africa. I run 120 kilometers per hour. I'm a wild animal. I do roar. Thank you.
Now we have Vishta Pandey from Second C.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Nishtha Pandey. I am studying in class 2nd C. Today I am dressed up as lotus. Lotus is our national flower. It is an auspicious symbol of Indian culture. Lotus grows in murky waters. Just like the lotus, we too have ability to rise up from difficulties, bloom out of the darkness and radiate into the world. Thank you.
तो चलिए अब हम थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हैं और हमारे समक्ष आ रही है हासिका कक्षा 7वीं बा से, जो थोड़ी और जानकारी देने आ रही है चाचा नेहरू जी के बारे में।
Good morning, respected principal sir, my teachers and all my dear friends. This is Himaja Hasika. I am studying in class 7th B. Today I am here to tell a speech on Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on different days in many places across the world. The first Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November 1964 in India. 1st of June is celebrated as International Children's Day, and the World Children's Day is celebrated on 20th November every year. After the death of Jawaharlal Nehru in May 1964, the Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. It is celebrated as the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in India. All the political party members will give respect to Nehruji at his Shantavan Memorial in New Delhi every year. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the freedom fighter, poet and leader. One of his famous writings were Glimpses World History. As you know, Children's Day reminds all of us about the preciousness of kids. People should be aware of the importance of welfare and the rights of children of the society and nation. That is why, as a responsible resident of India, we should not distinguish between children with their castes, religion, economic and social status. Parents should teach their children to live by the standards of Chacha Nehru. It also reminds parents to support and protect their children by giving them a good education, food and health. Parents should give an opportunity to children to express their thoughts and try to understand them. Children are gifts of gods. They are innocent and they are loved by everyone. At last, I want to say to everyone that Happy Children's Day. Thank you for giving the opportunity for me for this speech. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now we have Madhuja Mandal from class 5th D with a dance performance.
प्रभात, मैं हूँ मधुजा मंडल कक्षा 5वीं द से। आज मैं एक नृत्य पेश करने जा रही हूँ। कवि रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर का एक बहुत ही लोकप्रिय संगीत एकला चलो रे पर।
लोगों की कला उनके मन का सही दर्पण है। तो आइए अब हम एक नाटक देखते हैं 11वीं के छात्रों के द्वारा।
लैपटॉप तो ऑन है ना? हाँ चलो, नेटवर्क पे पूरा ऑनलाइन क्लास शुरू ही करना ही पड़ेगा मेरे को।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
बेटा अकेले क्यों? बाकी लोग रहते क्लास के, जाओ जाके उनको मैसेज करो, आने के लिए बोलो क्लास में। तो सब लोग आ गए हैं तो लेट्स गो विद क्लास। आकांक्षा बेटा चलो ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ दो।
मैम विच बुक?
और
मैम विच लेसन?
English class Hornbill textbook, the adventure lesson, chapter number 7.
मैम विच पेज?
Page number 61, second para, first line. अब क्लियर है तुमको सब कुछ?
मैम कैन यू रिपीट इट अगेन?
Second para, first line. यार तुमको कोई चीज क्लियर क्यों नहीं रहती? क्लास में रहती हो कहीं और रहती हो? इतने सारे डाउट्स के हैं? डाउट्स लेसन के अंदर होने चाहिए। तुम तो टेक्स्ट बुक की बार बार पूछती हो यार।
मैम वन डाउट।
आकांक्षा मैं काम करती हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स से बात करती हूँ, उनको ना तुम्हारे पूरे डाउट्स के बारे में पूरा क्लियर करती हूँ। तुम्हारा MCQs टेस्ट सब कुछ मैं एकदम क्लियर करती हूँ। तुम्हारा प्रॉपर PTM लूँगी मैं आज।
मैम मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे इतने सारे डाउट्स आते हैं।
आकांक्षा अब तुमसे और कुछ बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है मुझमें। बोल दिया ना, पढ़ो बेटा।
ओके मैम। नहीं मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
आयशा बेटा बार बार कैमरा ऑफ मत किया करो, एक बार ऑन करो बस, ऑन करके बैठो। आयशा बेटा ठीक है, अभी आंसर करना ठीक है। व्हाट आर द मेन स्पाइसेस फाउंड इन इंडिया?
मैम स्पाइसेस से याद आया, कल ना जोमेटो से फूड ऑर्डर किया था एंड द फूड वाज टू गुड, टू यम। कल पनीर मसाला ऑर्डर किया था, इतना स्पाइसी मतलब खा के मतलब मज़ा ही आ गया, दिन बन गया खा के। एंड बस रायते की कमी थी, बट अदरवाइज द फूड इज टू यम, टू गुड, मतलब इतना फैब्युलस।
से मैं उम्मीद भी क्या कर सकती हूँ, जब देखो तब खाना। बेटा मैंने तुमसे सवाल क्या किया था, व्हाट आर द मेन स्पाइसेस ऑफ इंडिया, और तुम कुछ और ही जवाब दे रही हो। मेरे को जोमेटो स्विगी क्यों आया इसमें? तुम मुझे बस जवाब दो। नहीं, तुम सवाल का जवाब ही मत दो, मैं दूसरा सवाल पूछती हूँ, वरना फिर से तुम खाने के ऊपर दौड़ो।
मुंबई से ना एक किस्सा याद आया, मैं आपको सुनाती हूँ। बहुत अमेजिंग किस्सा था, बहुत टेस्टी किस्सा था ये किस्सा। मैं मुंबई गई थी, मुंबई होटल, एंड उधर ना बहुत अच्छी बिरयानी थी, मतलब इतनी टेस्टी बिरयानी थी। आई नो हैदराबाद में ज़्यादा अच्छी बनती है, बट तो बिरयानी वहाँ की भी बहुत सही थी, बहुत अच्छे बावर्ची थे वहाँ के, एंड आई लव दैट बिरयानी अ लॉट। मतलब इतना टेस्टी फूड, बहुत सही था।
एक काम करो, तुम्हारी मम्मी को ना, नहीं मैं खुद तुम्हारी मम्मी को फ़ोन करती हूँ, ठीक है? हम दोनों मिलके तुम्हारा पनीर बटर मसाला बिरयानी सब उतारती हूँ मैं, ठीक है?
मैम नहीं नहीं प्लीज़, मम्मी को तो नहीं, प्लीज़ प्लीज़, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज़ अब फिर से नहीं करूँगी, प्लीज़, आई एम रियली सॉरी, प्लीज़ प्लीज़।
क्यों नहीं, अब तो जरूर करूँगी, ठीक है? मेरी मम्मी को तैयार रहने के लिए बोलना, मैं फोन करूँगी, ठीक है? बात करते हैं हम दोनों, और थोड़ा पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दिया करो, खाने पे नहीं।
ओके मैम।
अमर अमर अमर,
यस मैम।
चलो आंसर मी दिस, टेल मी अबाउट सोलर सिस्टम एंड 8 planets.
सोलर सिस्टम 8 planets मैम, अर्थ मैम। मैम क्वेश्चन क्या था मैम?
Answer this question.
Roman Empire was
अब तो हद कर दी तुमने अलेख्या, जा तो तुम्हारा फोन स्विच ऑफ कर रही हो कि नहीं? अभी के अभी तुम्हारा फोन स्विच ऑफ करो।
sorry ma'am, sorry ma'am.
अलेख्या, शाम को मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी को एक बार फोन करूँगी, ठीक है? I would like to talk to your parents about this. Switch your phone off. तुम्हारा फोन का पावर ऑफ नहीं हुआ ना, तुम्हारे मम्मी के फोन में मेरी नोटिफिकेशंस आएंगी, याद रखना।
Ma'am.
दूसरा क्लास, ये भगवान।
I can fly.
Did you guys like it?
Very much.
Yes.
Very much. Yes.
Yes.
We like it.
You related to it, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I would like I'm asking the riddles. Now I ask the students to ask the riddles. Just 5. Anyone?
Can you repeat the question?
I have 2 riddles.
Ask. Come on.
In which pan you can't fry?
In which pan you can't fry?
Japan.
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Yes, I like that video. In which city you can't enter or touch?
Electricity.
Correct.
That was easy. Yeah,
You
come
eat
on.
in that, but you will not eat it.
Plate.
At plate.
Plate.
I have one riddle. Which rose goes to moon?
Rose?
Gulab jamun. Gulab jamun.
Yes,
Gulab jamun. Gulab jamun.
Wow, that was tricky.
What's the most common letter in books?
The letter E.
Oh. Yes. Oh, yes.
Oh, I have a glimpses of fancy dress competition conducted on 12th November in primary section.
Teacher, good morning, friends. I'm out today. There are 200 species out there. My eyes are flat, my ears were sharp, my claws are sharp. I can rotate my head 270 degrees. I eat small insects. I'm made of newspapers. Hi guys, I'm Hazel. I'm 6 years old. I'm studying in 1D. Hi guys, I'm Tortoise. I'm brown in color.
Now we have Rishita from 7th B, Shrestha from 7th A and Rafia from 7th B to set our feet tapping to their dance.
We really had our feet tapping with this dance performance. Reyansh of 3rd D is now going to tell us more about Nehruji.
A very good morning to one and all. I am Reyansh studying in 3rd D. So today we are celebrating Children's Day. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November, the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He is also known as Chacha Nehru. He left behind the legacy of education. He is the architect of modern India. he focused on nation buildings, equality, safety, and equal education to everyone. Today's children shape India tomorrow. So we are the future of our country. Let's pledge we will love our country, serve our country. Jai Hind.
देश की प्रगति के बच्चे हैं आधार, हम सब भी मिलकर करेंगे चाचा नेहरू जी के सपने को साकार। चाचा नेहरू का है जन्म दिवस, हम सब बच्चे आएंगे, चाचा नेहरू के गुलाब से ये दुनिया महकाएंगे। 'Cause I can fly